Hello everybody! So today is the last day of school year 2023-2024. So ikalawang school year ko na ito dito sa US at first time ko na-attend ng graduation at curious din ako papaano sila nagko-conduct ng ceremony ng graduation. So, samahan nyo ako mamaya. Kita ninyo kahit naka-makeup na ako. Hindi naman yan super makeup. Naglagay-lagay lang ako ng kilay and lipstick para naman medyo presentable mamaya. So, ang susuotin ko ay yung niregalo sa akin ng co-teacher ko na native here, local here na traditional attire nila. So, yung mga kapwa ko Filipino teacher dito, ang susuotin nila ay yung Filipino costume, yung attire natin. Yung baro at saya sa lalaki ay yung barong. So ako, hindi ko na siya masuot dahil pagdating ko dito ay lumaki na ako. So punta ako dito para mga 53 kilograms ako. Ngayon, secret, pero hindi na kasya yung aking Filipiniana, modern Filipiniana dress. So, kaya doon na lang ako sa pang local dito. So, samahan niyo ako mamaya. Curious din ako kung paano yung graduation ceremony nila. So, kailangan ko umattend. Hindi naman talaga required dito na umattend ka ng graduation. Pero ako, gusto ko talagang umattend kasi most of my students are seniors. So, alam ko magiging masaya sila kapag nakita nila ako doon. Again, hindi dito required. Kung gusto mo, pumunta ka. Kung ayaw mo, ay pwede naman kasi ito ay after school activity. Gaganapin ng 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So, 2 hours lamang. At yan, after school yun, so hindi ka required. So again, dahil nga mga seniors ang estudyante ko, syempre gusto ko sila ma-congratulate personally mamaya. So bago yan, ay pupunta muna kami dun sa fast food dito kasi meron akong co-teacher na Filipino din. 18 years na siya dito at magre-resign na siya sa school. So meron kaming gagawing despedida party for her. Okay, so mag-video ako mamaya. I'll see you later. Hello! So, nagbihis na ako at ready na akong pumunta sa graduation namin. Wait ko lang yung isa kong co-teacher. Makikisakay ako sa kanya kasi wala pa si Edward. So, yeah, ito yung damit. Okay, so ito yung nagpe-prepare na kami para sa entrance. So, ganun lang yung pagrampa nila. Ikot lang sila. Makatingin ng mga tao. Thank you so much, Maria. Yan, ikot lang sila. Kami sa Pinas.
Showing up every single day.
Okay,
Be proud
so
of who you are. We are
siya si
here because
Mr.
all of the
Diaz,
sacrifices
ang
the
aming
ancestors
district
have gone through,
superintendent.
so you don't have to go through the same challenges. But most important, you are the bridge.
Sana all.
Celebrate with you the class of 2024. On behalf of the
You guys are looking sharp tonight. Congratulations. Skukurinyik Aniana Chige Edna Morris, proud former principal and superintendent of Indian Oasis Elementary and Babakiri Unified School District. I am so proud to be here tonight, and I thank you, especially Devin Antone, your senior class president, for inviting me to come speak.
I'm not going to give you a test. Good evening, graduates. I am extremely honored and humbled to be asked to be here tonight. I am especially grateful to see all of your smiling, proud faces because of this great achievement.
Every single one of you for getting to this point because most people don't. But let it be known, high school is not the highlight of our lives. It is the first chapter to the end of our story. Tonight marks the first night of the rest of our lives. Although every one of you has their own experiences and memories that are cherished, Our life is not defined by our high school grades, extracurricular activities, or how much trouble we've been in. Our life is what we make it. Always bear in mind that everyone here has the power to be successful. Yet, do not expect to be handed anything. You have to work hard to achieve big. Tonight's graduation is more than a liberation from high school. It is a celebration of the best of times and the worst of times. The frustrating and amazing teachers, the friends lost, the friends made, and most importantly, a celebration of the future that is waiting for all of us. Class of 2024, it's been amazing 4 years of you, including the one where we were virtual, logging in.
Ayan, siya naman ang valedictorian ng class of 2024. At siya ay proud Filipino. Siya ay anak ng isang Filipino teacher na nagtuturo din dito sa school district. At nakaka-proud kasi talaga nag-excel yung mga Filipino students dito sa US. Maganda rin yung delivery ng kanyang speech. At yeah, okay din. Congratulations.
The power of teamwork and the value of
You are now graduated.
Ayan, so pagkatapos ng graduation kagabi ay maaga rin akong pumasok kinabukasan dahil kailangan mag-isa ng aking classroom. So talagang nahihilo-hilo pa ako dyan, antok na antok pa ako, masaya ang ulo ko. Pero I need to show up para matapos ko na yung obligasyon ko sa school. Kasi last day na yan for teacher. At meron lang kaming isang araw para ayusin ang lahat para bakasyon na talaga. Hello, good morning everybody. So for today, samahan niyo ako sa paglinis ng aking classroom dahil last day na. So wala nang bata. Ito yung last day for teachers. Kahapon yun sa bata. Meron kaming 1 day para i-settle. Meron kaming 1 day para iayos tong aming classroom. Yung mga grades namin dapat na print na. Kasi may clearance muna. So, kailangan maayos ko yun ngayong araw. So, samahan niyo ako. Maglinis ako. Nagsimula na ako actually kahapon. Tinanggal ko na lahat na nakadikit. Kasi kailangan, bago ka magbakasyon, kailangan para makaperma sila, ay malinis na yung wall mo. As in, super, wala na talaga. Bare na talaga. So, meron pa ako dito sa likod. Alisin ko yan. Mangangakyat na naman ang first son kasi hindi ko mautusan yung mga bata dito, baka malaglag. Di uuwi pa ako ng Pilipinas, mag-deport ako dahil lang doon. Charot. Hindi, mahirap na, para sure na lang. nag-start naman akong i-ayos yung mga cabinets kasi kailangan organize din daw bago permahan. So, ang ano kasi, madami akong naging gamit this year. Saka maraming naiwan na gamit yung dating teacher dito. So, marami akong ayusin. Diba? Sakit ng ulo ko. Oh, ito yung end of the year check-out form namin. So, almost done na ako. So, ayan. Ito na ang end of the school year meeting namin. And of course, chibugan, kainan. Bye-bye!